Hello kids! I was about to check some pictures. You want to see my album? Yes, they are all here. Look at that one. Oh, why did I look so happy? Why do you think? Let's look at the options. Because that day I had an ice cream, because I played with some friends, or because I went to the amusement park. Yes, it's the third option. I went to the amusement park. Can you see just behind me? And look there at the second picture. Why do you think am I so wet? Why do you think am I so wet on that picture? Because I had a shower? Or because a car passed by and splashed a puddle? Again, the last option, right? Can you see the car in my face? I'm very angry. I remember that day. Let's look at the third picture. Why am I so dirty? Oh no. Why was I so dirty? I don't remember that day. Let's look at the options. Because I had a chocolate ice cream. Come on, I can eat a chocolate ice cream. Oh, because I fall down into a puddle this time. What's going on with puddles? Yeah, of course, because I was playing and having fun on puddles. And the fourth picture, why did I look that tired? Oh yes, I was very tired that day. Why? Because I didn't sleep, or because I went for a hike. I love hiking. Yeah, I love to hike. The second and last option again, because I went for a hike. Yeah, well done.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kiddos! Okay, let's keep learning, and today we are still working with the W question. What? Why? Remember? And I'm going to use, as I do have, this beautiful, okay, why? Yes. And what is why? A question word that is a question word we use when we want to know the reason or cause of something. And because is the word we use to answer, okay, and give or provide the answers to the question why. So here, why are you happy today? Why are you happy today? I am happy because I got a new toy. Well done, okay? Why and because. So now let's go and look. We have to order the words of these questions and answers. So this is a question because we have the sign, this reference. So let's just start with why. Why, and we can, do it like this. Why are you sad? Oh, why are you sad? Why are you sad? And the interrogation, okay, the question mark, sorry. All right, why are you sad? Because I lost my favorite toy. Oh, poor boy. Now let's go and do the second one. Why were you late at the party? Okay, you were not on time. What happened? Because I missed the bus. So I was not on time at the party because I missed the bus. The bus. Well done. And finally, why did you laugh? Why did you laugh? Laughing. Why did you laugh? Because my friend told a funny joke. My friend told me a funny story. Well done. So why is the question word. Why did you laugh? Why did you laugh? Well done. Super great job, guys. Bye-bye.